This is day 4 of my 30-day guru challenge. I am testing a new guru strategy every single day and showing you and telling you the real results. Today, I am showing you a formula that I borrowed from another creator. So there is a hook formula that creators use to get views every time. And the guru says that you should model what works. So I found a formula for my niche. I used it in my own small accounts. I wanted to know if the formula actually worked no matter how small you are, or if the formula only works if you have a massive audience. In my previous challenge, I told you that today I was going to be showing you a hook for YouTube. When I post videos on YouTube, I do a similar formula, but in a different way. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so for YouTube, this is what I was doing. I will find something that is working, that's a bigger creator is already doing. That one right there, the 8 real ways. If we go to the analytics, so it brought in a lot of subscribers. In the beginning of this challenge, if you've been following along, I started my YouTube in October 29th, 2025. That's when I actually started to be consistent. Okay, and I started being more consistent. So I post this video right here. I post this on December 1st, 2025. And this video brought in 491 subscribers. So that's where a lot of my subscribers came from in the beginning. I do not watch people videos when I'm looking for content ideas. Okay, so I try not to watch it for YouTube. I try not to watch the video. Okay, so what I did, I used the thumbnail and I used the title. So I use it from a big creator, right? Because that's what they say to do. I just twist it up a little bit and not use the exact hook that they said in the first 30 seconds of the video, right? I got that idea from this creator right here. If you see, she posted 6 months ago and it's the exact thumbnail like I did. And it's exact saying on there. Right? It says need 5K before Christmas. That's exactly what it says, the title and everything. And that's what helped. Now, what's in the video is my expertise and my knowledge. So that's why I do not watch the video. So you don't alter that. Okay? I just need the keywords and the SEO in the thumbnail to use so my videos could be searchable and it could appear where her videos appear because she has a lot of following. You know, she has 1.2 million subscribers. So she's been testing this out, okay? Now, I genuinely don't go towards people with a lot of subscribers because they're already big and they have an audience already. But sometimes it don't hurt to do that. People say don't do it and stuff like that because they're bigger and they have a bigger audience than small creator like myself. So it's not good to reference them. But in my case, it actually worked. So I feel like I will actually do it again, but I usually try to go towards like small creators, okay? But yes, that actually worked for the YouTube. Now, I did do it again on another one. So this is my video right here, which was posted 3 months ago. It did pretty good. I'm gonna show you the analytics. And this is the person video that I referenced. It's right here. Now, they don't have a lot of subscribers, but if you notice that views, they received 1 million views for that video. They actually do have 389,000 subscribers. Okay, so you could see that this YouTuber have 390K subscribers, which mean that that video was an outlier. It did very well. And I'm using the same thing, the title and the thumbnail. I changed the title a little bit. He said, I tried 4 free apps that pay you to watch videos. And I said 3 apps because I use my own expertise and my knowledge and put it in the video. And that's what I did for YouTube. Now for short form videos, they were different. So here with this short form video, I used the exact title, which is considered a hook. Now in every video is 3 hooks that you might know of or heard of from gurus, right? It's a text on screen hook. It's a hook that is being said, and it's a hook, a visual hook. So for this video, I used the text on screen hook. So you see her text on her screen, and then I use that same text on the screen, and this what the video gave me. Okay, it had 35,000 views, and if I view my analytics for this specific video, it brought in followers. This one was another video. Now, if you watch this video, I'm gonna play it. I used the text on screen hook, and I used the visual hook, because she didn't have a hook that was being said. So if you watch this video, then I'm gonna play mine, and you're gonna see the similarity. But again, you change it a little bit, you tweak it, but you'll see the similarity. So it's not to be fully copy and paste the entire time, but you do use parts of the video and put in yours. That was her video, and this is what my video looked like. And if we view the analytics from this video, you will see how many followers it brought in. It's basically using the exact same hook as the creator that I found that is in my niche. And I did this for most of my videos. So let's look at another one of my video. This is another video I used, and I used their hook on screen, their text hook, and I used the hook that was being said. So now if we check the analytics for this video, it brought in that many followers. And that all came from the hook. So you're copying the hooks. So it's 3 hooks. It's a text hook, a verbal hook, and a visual hook. So the text hook is the hook that you see right here on my video. That's a text hook. That's the hook I was using. That's the text that's on the video before you actually click the video. Then it's a verbal hook. That's what you say out your mouth in the first 30 seconds. Okay, that's the verbal hook. And then the visual hook is basically what are you doing? When you look for videos, like the gurus be saying, look for viral hooks. That's what they mean. That means look for the verbal hook that is being said in that video, look for the visual hook, and look for the text hook. You copy that hook and you put it in your video. So that's basically what you do. And that's basically what I was doing, what helped me to grow as well. I looked at what was already working, and I just put my knowledge behind it, but use the hook to see the formula that's working. And I'm still testing it, to be honest, because it is a hit and miss, but they are correct about it. Okay, that is 100% correct. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Use the hook that's already working, and it will push your content. Just a reminder, if you do want to start selling digital products, I will leave the links in my description below and in the comment, so you can check out my digital product starter kit. It will tell you how to sell it, how to create it, and everything you need to know, and no experience is needed. Tomorrow, I am finding out if Canva digital products are actually still selling in 2026. You might already know the answer. Or if that market is already too crowded. I am showing you my analytics. I am showing you everything I could show you, and I'm not hiding anything. So make sure you come back tomorrow.